Hello and welcome back to my course WordPress site migration. In this chapter we will learn how can we migrate our website from our main domain to our subdomain. As I have mentioned earlier that sometime we want to bring or make some vital changes to our website and we want to show the new face of our website to the visitors only once the site is completed. In that case, we can move our entire site or make a copy of our website to the subdomain. There we can make all the changes, and then once the site is completed, then we can migrate it back to the main domain. In that case, the users will see the entire new face of the website at once and they would not see the site while it would be in process. So first of all, we had to create a subdomain in our control panel in order to move our site from main domain to subdomain. So we will go to the domain sections, and there you can see there is subdomain section. I will click on it and I have to create a new subdomain. So I assign the name of my subdomain. Temp is the name of my subdomain, and here you can see that document root means a new folder would be created within public underscore HTML folder, and the name of that folder would be temp. Actually, when I will have to create a site or move a site to the subdomain, it is the folder where I will need to migrate over my site. So simply click on the create button, and if everything goes right, your subdomain should be created right now, and you will see a message: you have successfully created temp.avascameron.info. So we have created subdomain. In the next video we will see how easily we can move our site or copy our site from main domain to subdomain, and we will duplicate our database and connect the new subdomain site with that new database.